Hi, welcome to the Data Science Study Plan series at INSEAD, and the goal of this study plan series is that if you're looking to become a data scientist, how much time should you devote, what are the things that you need to do, and what are the exact steps that you need to follow to become a successful data scientist. That's what we are covering in the study plan series. In today's video, I am covering 180-day study plan. And we'll start that by looking at, first of all, the prerequisites that you need to have to execute this plan successfully. The first prerequisite that you need to have is a laptop. Any good laptop or a desktop would do. You need to have at least 4 GB of RAM. That comes standard in today's laptops. So that's the first requirement. The second thing that you require is a mentor that can help you give feedback, give guidance, suggest you how to tweak your study plan and how to learn things better. And the third thing you would require is study material so that you are progressing in a step-by-step way without wasting a lot of time and without it getting overwhelmed. So those are the prerequisites. Now, in terms of the number of hours, if you're a working professional, dedicating 1 to 2 hours per day is easily doable. If you have the weekends free, dedicate a little more on the weekend. So in all, approximately 10 to 15 hours of effort is enough per week. However, consistency is important. So this is the prerequisite. Now this is the time required. Now coming to the 180-day plan, the first 90 days of the plan remain the same as the plan that I had discussed in the 90-day study plan. If you have not referred to that plan, go immediately and first of all, please see that. Just a summary of that plan. In the first 30 days, you focus on Python and statistics basics. In the next 30 days, you focus on data analysis packages for Python like NumPy, Pandas, data transformation packages as well, Matplotlib, Seaborn and Bouquet, and you work on a lot of data sets so that you are asking questions, you are exploring data. The third set of the plan, of the 90-day plan, which is the last 30 days, 60 to 90 days, was of machine learning basics, in which you're learning machine learning algorithms that are the most fundamental algorithms, and you work with data sets to actually apply them in real world. So that is the 90-day plan. What I'll do in this video is add up on that so that you see the 90 to 120-day plan, which is the 4th month. In month 4 of the study plan, you need to take your level of machine learning to the next level. Ideally, in machine learning basics, you would focus on supervised machine learning algorithms and machine learning fundamentals. In month 4, which is 90 to 120 days, you should focus on unsupervised machine learning algorithms that are also heavily used in the industry, and you should master that by working on, again, data sets and by getting your concepts clear in the first place. This is month 4. Month 5 is 120 to 150 days. In this period, what you should be focusing on is you should be focusing on building a solid portfolio. So in the first few months, you have worked on machine learning, data analysis, but now you should take your level of projects. In the first few months, you would have worked on easy projects. Now you should start taking data sets that are more complicated, that are bigger in size, and that will prepare you for real world industry exposure. This is what you should do in 120 to 150 days. Alternatively, what you could do is, if you are more focused on becoming the best in machine learning, which I highly recommend, you should learn machine learning advanced algorithms like recommender systems, etc., neural networks, etc., that will make you among the top 10% in machine learning, because most of the people do not go to that level. If you have that, you have an extra advantage. And in the last 150 to 180 days period, which is the last 30 days, what you should be doing is you should be focusing on either propagating yourself in this space through building a GitHub profile. Number one, you should be at the same time building your portfolio, and you should be writing articles on data science, etc. And these articles can be very simple articles about a project. It can be a project analysis that you have done. It can be a data set analysis that you have done. It can be explaining a machine learning algorithm. That will help you build your brand in this space. That is the plan that I recommend in the last 150 to 180 day period, last 30 days. So, however, in this 30 days, you should also keep on learning machine learning, because that's also important. So this is the 180-day study plan to become a successful data scientist. Each one of these steps is important, and each one of these steps will ensure that you get your dream data science job in 6 to 8 months, and you start cracking every interview that you appear for. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you loved this study plan for data science.